Alright, so in this video of the $65 eBay guitar, we're going to talk tuners, because these are the tuners that came with our Chinese kit, and they are not supposed to wiggle that much. That is pretty terrible, and I'd like to say it was just one, but every single one of them wiggles that bad, which, I mean, this is fine if you're making a cigar box guitar. Ooh, this one's actually not bad. It's fine if you're making a cigar box guitar. Oh, look. This one is absolutely hard. But this is fine if you're making like a cigar box guitar or a diddly bow, which I very well may with those. But not if you want to make something that stays in tune and plays halfway right. Now, what you'd normally do is you'd go to Grover or Fender and you'd buy a $50 set of locking tuners. But in keeping with the theme of the budget guitar, I went to Amazon and through Music Lily bought some Chinese $15 locking tuners that got 5 stars or 4.5 stars that appear to be very similar, if not coming from the same factory as these ones. And they're so proud of them that they didn't even put a brand name on it. But I think these were Music Lily, and they're new. They're locking, and there is absolutely no movement. I mean, these things are nice. They're really nice. So we're going to use those to go through the headstock, and yeah, they ought to work fairly well. One of the things I also didn't talk about in the last video was the shape of the headstock blank. So I know why they do this. When you buy one of these, they give you this big old block, and that's because I have a feeling they ship the same neck if you get a Stratocaster, a Telecaster, a Jaguar, a Mustang. This, you know, that probably works for Jackson guitars. I mean, I think they just ship it with any cheap guitar kit. And in fact, the instructions for this thing, which I hadn't opened until after yesterday, they show, you know, Les Pauls. They show, yeah, Jaguars. They show Stratocasters. They show teles. They show, I don't know, whatever that is. Yeah, they've got knockoff Jacksons in here. So yeah, my guess is this neck goes for just about, looks like Schecter's too, just about everything that they offer. So yeah, so what I did is I drew kind of a tele inspired shape on here, just hand roughed it out. I have no intention of trying to pass this off as a genuine Fender product, so I don't really see the need in getting it 100%, you know, tele perfect. You know, it's in the spirit of a tele, you know, albeit the dimensions might be slightly off. But so next thing I'm going to do is chalk up my bandsaw on my vise and try to saw that out. Alright, so we've got our old school Harbor Freight bandsaw chalked up in our vise. I've got my turn on clamp here. Got my PPE. So let's get this party started. we've got a roughed out shape. Got to bust out the sander and make her look pretty, but as you can tell, I cut metal with this thing too, so no problem. It'll clean up when I sand it. But yeah, so shape roughed out. Next we'll sand her smooth. Alright, so with the shape refined quite a bit by the belt sander, there's just some spots you can't get into, so I have a Dremel, but I just prefer to finish sand this by hand. So it's going to be a little bit slower going, but it's make sure you get it a good radius and everything by hand this way, not take off too much. This is just a sanding block with like 60 grit on it. Just kind of get this profile roughed out the rest of the way. And then for this groove here, I've got some sandpaper on a dowel to making sure to support the neck on the towel and get in there. So as you can see, we're getting closer there. Got our shape kind of roughed out. I don't plan on 100% finishing it today, but getting it sanded smoother is definitely on the agenda. Alright, so we got the rough shaping and pretty close sanding done on the head stock. Give it that tele-esque shape. There's a lot of finish sanding left to do on this neck. It's still kind of rough, like down here. It needs a lot of sanding, but just the payoff of a headstock is to kind of take a look at what she looks like, and there we go, man. We're getting close. Looking like a tele. Alright, next time we'll do something.